I have no idea. Alright. Try to do a video here of the DeWalt DW402. I also had trouble taking the wheels off of it. So what I figured the best thing to do is, before you even put these things on, make sure you find a wrench that will fit the wheel you're putting on it. So, for example, I got this 1 1/16 for this grinding wheel that I bought at Lowe's, and you know, it's a little big, but it works. So make sure your wrench is gonna work, because once you put it on, you gotta use an open-ended wrench to take it off. So this little button is difficult when it gets too tight on there. Let me see. It's on there pretty good now. And coming off. Once you run it, it gets even tighter. And basically you just hold it down and it'll spin right off. So what you don't want to do is leave it on there. Once you're done, you should take it off, and it'll make it easier to take it off all the time. Make sure you have your right wrench with you, right? This wrench doesn't fit this grinding wheel, so I have another wrench for that, which is a 7/8, this wire wheel. So that one's pretty good. And same thing when you're done. I'm just gonna, when it grinds, it goes this way, so it's the same way it'll run when it's, I believe that's right. Actually, it'll go this way. Which is the same way it would take it off, but for some reason it gets tighter. And I'll show you an example. I'll grind something over here. Alright, got that on. Got my goggles on. Got some of these welding gloves on. Alright, here we go. Let's see. The inner joints of these. Pretty good. You can see there. Got in right there. Pretty chunky, my lousy welds, because it's cast iron, so it's never pretty. And I'm just trying to clean it up and see if I can touch it up any better than I tried to already. There's a chunk. working pretty well. Coming along. It's a workout. Anyways, you guys get the idea. So, tell ya, it's best to take it off while it's been running. If you know about heat expansion, it would make sense, because if you let it cool down enough, I mean, and might still be a little hot, but using a wrench and all. Let's see, this is the 1 1.25 or something. 1 1/16. All right. So I unplugged it. Now I'm just gonna take it off, right? Remember, this is the DW402. So you gotta press this little button over here so it goes down. There it goes. And then it'll kind of lock. And what you want to do is just get your wrench in there, and that's it. See how easy that was? You leave it on there, the metal will contract and make it a lot harder to get off. Every time you run it, it'll get tighter, and you'll just end up stripping the nut off of your grinding wheels, right, or your wire wheels. So there you have it. That's the best way to deal with these, so you don't have to have any trouble at all. Thanks for watching.